Okay, so can you show everybody what we're doing here?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
I'm putting this thing up.
We're putting it up? Okay. So this is our Nano Box motorized window shade. I wanted to quickly show you guys some of the features and the cool things that we've engineered into this product. First of all, this is straight out of the box, what you see here. It's all one unit, right? And so there's not a box of parts that was shipped to us that we're then going to have to put together on site. So every window that you get, every motorized shade that you get is built exactly like this and already put together. I stuck your hand? I'm sorry. You gotta watch out. Another thing to show you is this felt light stop is actually kind of a brush that goes on top of the unit, which kills the light gap on top of the motorized shade. So when you look at the bracket itself, what we've done is we've engineered kind of a cam lock system that actually moves. I don't know if you can see that upper piece that moves up and down as I turn this cam. And that basically just sucks the Nano Box cassette all the way up to the ceiling. So it's actually a very quick and easy process as far as getting it mounted on. So first of all, one person can do it. After I get them both installed, I'm gonna get around our Halloween. Get it on the locks, on the hooks, and then move these cam locks upward. And I'm done. So you can see how quick that is. And if you multiply that, I mean, we've got 9 shades in our house. And I think overall the 9 shades, we probably spent about 30 minutes installing everything. So another cool thing that we do is we actually pre-program every shade with a remote from the factory. And not only do we pre-program it, we actually set your drop from the factory. So all these little things, we're just eliminating all this extra time that can build up on site. So this should go all the way down nearly to the bottom of this window here. Micah, do you want to hit the button? Hit that button right there. There you go. So very quickly and easily we've installed our window, motorized window shade, in probably about 2 or 3 minutes from out of the box all the way to the window. And what I can do is I can then take this and then program it with our home control systems like Alexa or some of the other control systems out there. Watch out. There we go. Pretty cool.